to this episode of Cooking Kids Kitchen. Today in the kitchen we're going to be cooking banana cake. You will need half a cup of mashed banana, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg lightly beaten, 50 grams of margarine or butter, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So first, you'll need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Sift your flour, then add your sugar. Stir it together and make a well. Add your butter or margarine. Then you add in your egg. And finally, add in your mashed banana. Mix everything until it's just combined. Get a loaf tin and line it with baking paper. After you've taken it out of the oven, turn off the oven and leave it for 10 minutes. Bring it over to the cooling rack. This was scrumdiddlyumptious. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking Kids Kitchen. Bye.